What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can deposit USDT on Pocket Option, or how you can add USDT to your Pocket Option account. So let's get started. Now first off, once you log in into your Pocket Option account, you will be on this default homepage right here. So to deposit some USDT, you would first need to click on the finance section right here at the left hand side. Now you would need to select the deposit option right here, the first one. And here we are. So this is the deposit section of Pocket Option, where you can deposit funds onto your Pocket Option account. So you have a few different options, but in this case we're looking for the USDT one. Now, as you can see, under the cryptocurrency section, you have a lot of different USDT options right here. So we have the USDT on Tron network, USDT on Polygon network, on Optimism network, on Solana, etc, etc. So depending on which network you have your USDT purchased, you would need to select that network. So for example, if you're using, let's say, a MetaMask wallet and you purchase some USDT on Polygon blockchain, you would need to select Polygon. Same goes, for example, if you have USDT on Solana network, so on your Phantom wallet probably, then you would need to select Solana. But the most common networks for USDT are either Ethereum, so ERC20, or Binance Chain Network, so BEP20. But if you're looking to save some cash, the cheapest networks to transfer USDT from your wallet to Pocket Option are the Binance network and of course Solana network right here. So for this example, let's go ahead and select the USDT on Binance Chain or Binance Smart Chain. Now, once you selected the network or the chain of your USDT, you would need to input the amount of USDT that you would like to transfer from that wallet or that network to your Pocket Option account. So for USDT on Binance Chain, the commission is 0% and the minimum deposit amount is 8 euros or about $10. So keep that in mind. Now we would need to input the amount, so let's say 10 euros. And after that, go ahead and click continue and pay 10 euros. And here we are. So right here you would need to either scan the QR code with your phone if you have your wallet on your phone. So you can just scan the QR code and then all the fields will be populated automatically and you can just click send. Or let's say that you have your wallet on your PC, so on this PC right here, then you would just need to open up your wallet. So in this case we can use MetaMask, then just log in into your wallet. And once you're in your wallet, you would just need to switch the network. So because this is the Binance Chain network, we would need to switch to Binance Chain. So just click on the network in the upper left corner and select Binance Smart Chain. Or in your case, whichever network you initially selected for the deposit address. So once you have selected the correct network, you can select USDT. And as you can see, you can also double check. It says that the network is Binance Smart Chain, which is the same as we selected right here. So to send some funds from your wallet to Pocket Option, you would just need to copy your deposit address that was generated just now. Now, once it's copied, go over to your wallet, select USDT, then click send. Now, right here, you would just need to paste over the address that you just copied from here. So just paste it right here. And then input the amount of USDT that you would like to send. So I suggest that you just copy this, so 11.38. In your case, of course, this is probably different. Now just go ahead and click continue. And to finalize the transaction, you would just need to click confirm. So I won't do this now because I don't want to actually transfer some USDT to my account, but to finish up the process, you would just need to confirm the transaction. From there, you would be able to see here in about 3 seconds or so, you should see the funds on your Pocket Option account. So essentially guys, that's how you can transfer some USDT to your Pocket Option account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.